Right, let's go on to Oracle. It's just been a bit.
Well, listen, and this is, I hate. We've had this conversation a few weeks in a row now, and as you know, I've been shying away from it in the short term. It's all down to the balance sheet and the margins. This company is not clean cut, right? This is not Nvidia, right? Nvidia is. It's very hard to punch any holes in Nvidia's financials, right? And that's why it is what it is.
Yeah.
Oracle have $100 billion worth of debt, negative free cash flow of $3.5 billion. That negative free cash flow number is important. They have to spend money, a lot of money up front to provide these GPUs, basically. Mm-hmm. And it's expensive. And that's why there's a lot of confusion in the market now over how much actually it's costing them, what the margins are going to be. The market said that in the last 3 weeks, we've had a report out from, I think it was the Information or TechCrunch, saying that the margins are going to be almost zero for the short term. And then they came back and said, actually, they're 35%.
Yeah, they argued overall it'd be about 14 to 16%. And they came out and said, nah.
Correct. There we go. Exactly. So, and then it rallied. And then, of course, we got the JP Morgan downgrade of the debt, which is quite interesting if you think about it. I mean, it's not often you see these big companies be debt downgraded. And it's a battleground a little bit in the short term. But I did buy some yesterday.
And to be fair, they downgraded the debt to neutral and said, we just need more information. We need more clarity on a few things. So it's not like they're negative on the debt. And the stock maybe reacted like that's what they were saying.
Listen, and also it's very subjective. I see debt downgrades all the time and no one cares. But this is an emotional stock right now, and it's up a lot. You've got to remember that it's up 100% since April, isn't it? So I mean, you've got to take that into consideration. So anyway, it's an interesting one. But it's about, if anyone's wondering what's going on with Oracle, it's a bit of a battleground in the balance sheet and the financials. For the time being, but the growth is there. I believe that this company is going to continue to re-rate over time, but I'm also very aware of how much it's moved in such a short space of time, and it's going to be a rocky road, I think, in the short term.